Good evening, everyone. So, I am Altelurin Galaro from Batch 4. So, yung topic po natin today ay may kilala ka bang Kristiyanong matapobre? So, it is all about the equality in personhood, sabi ni Pastor Russell, at ang scripture na kanyang provide for today ay matatagpuan sa James 2 verse 1. So, basahin ko lang po yung description niya or yung concept ng equality in personhood. So, all people are created in the image of God, making them equally valuable in His sight, and society often honors the wealthy and famous while neglecting the poor, vulnerable, and unpopular. But God does not show favoritism. He calls us to treat everyone with the same love, respect, and dignity. Whether rich or poor, powerful or weak, true biblical equality is not about status, but about seeing every person as God sees them. So, we have three teachings po, no? Which is the all persons are equally made in God's image. Christians ought to treat others fairly, and loving God is best expressed in loving people. So, dito po, sa lesson po ni Pastor Russell, inilahad na yung mga difference ng personality ng isang tao. Majority of the people, mostly, yung mga rich people, ay masyadong, hindi naman masyadong, like most of them, or some of them, ay talaga namang matapobre, or like, syempre, meron silang hinahawakang pangalan, that's why, iba yung treat nila sa mga taong mas mababa sa kanila. Pero God keep us reminding that lahat ng kanyang mga anak ay isa lang yung tingin niya. Dapat na, kaya ngayon yung bagay na gusto ituro sa atin ng Panginoon na i-treat natin yung bawat isa o yung ibang tao ng same love, same respect, and equality to all nations. So, si Lord, no, wala daw po siyang favoritism. So, in that way, pinapakita ng Panginoon yung pagkakaroon natin ng pagkakaisa. At, of course, pinapakita ng Panginoon na nasa mataas ka man o nasa mababa kang part ng buhay mo is iisa pa rin tayo ng pinanggalingan at iisa pa rin tayo ng Diyos na dapat nating praise and worship. And we have here the applications, which is the care for the uncared for, notice the unnoticed, and love the unlovable. So, tinuturuan tayo palagi ng Panginoon na mahalin ng mga taong hindi ka mahal-mahal. Kahit na yung mga taong sobrang naiinis tayo, yung mga taong kaaway natin, yung tao talagang hindi mo kayang mahal. Pero si Lord, pinakitaan tayo ng Panginoon ng kakaibang pagmamahal, which is the agape love. Napaka sobrang hindi ko masabi, overflowing yung love niya na dapat natin ina-adapt natin. At hindi na natin ma-adapt ng kabuuan, at least nagkakaroon ng changes at patuloy natin itong binabago hanggang sa ma-overcome natin yung bagay na gusto makita ng Panginoon sa ating personalidad at pagkatao. Kaya thank you po for listening, and I hope you'll be having a good day for tomorrow, and God bless everyone, and bye!